you.
We give you a full blowout afterwards.
Dr. Johnson means just brushing
This is
my hair.
this is an all-inclusive Botox treatment. I'll also brush your hair afterwards to make you feel better. So what we did for my wonderful patient Kayla here is we took care of some preventative stuff for her face. She's got flawless skin already, flawless cheekbones, everything. She's the type of patient who wants to be completely frozen except for her smile. She wants dramatic, dramatic, dramatic. So for her, one of the things we took care of is the 11s. Can you just make them right now really quickly? It's when you frown and furrow. I put a few in them. The corrugator muscles right here, they're the ones that kind of push in to create the 11s. So paralyze this whole area. I put them in the forehead. That's probably the most popular area, so get rid of the lines that just go straight across. I also put them one little drop right here and one little drop right here at the edge of the eyebrows, so that when her muscle relaxes, it actually releases her eyebrow. It'll release it and it'll give her a little bit more of a nice arch, a nice lift, which is really beautiful. So for her, one of the things we took care of is the 11s. Can you just make them right now really quickly? It's when you frown and furrow. I put a few in them. The corrugator muscles right here, they're the ones that kind of push in to create the 11s. So paralyze this whole area. I put them in the forehead. That's probably the most popular areas. And then big smile, give me those crow's feet. She can't do it too much right now because I've already injected her. She's a little swollen, but I did really knock out her crow's feet here. And then lastly, this is less popular, but some people really like this done. Give me the nose squeeze, like something stinky. So these are like the bunny lines around the nose. In this area, also the one that goes right across. So take care of those 3 areas of wrinkles as well. And for her jaw, she has a prominent masseter muscle. Right now she's very thin, so you can actually see it relax your jaw and then bite down. You can see it plump up right when she bites down. She does have some TMJ involvement where she gets a little bit soreness in her joint right here, and she finds that that really helps her. I do put a little bit of Botox right in here and right in here as well, just to relax her jaw. One of the benefits of the jaw injection on the side, especially for women, is that it also just overall reduces the size of the muscle, so you get a softer, slimmer, more of a V-line shape if you are one of those women who tends to have a more square or overly round jawline.